Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off and set up the sound recognition options on iPhone, so everything that you need to know about it. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit and tap on Accessibility. Once you're here, you want to swipe down again and go to the sound recognition. So just tap on that, and now you need to turn on the sound recognition. So what the sound recognition does, that your iPhone is going to listen to the sounds around you all the time, around the iPhone especially, for certain sounds, and using on-device intelligence, and will notify you when those sounds are going to be recognized. And also below you have the information that you should not rely on all the time on the sound recognition option. So if you turn on this feature, obviously the iPhone is going to listen to you all the time, but it does it anyway, so whatever. So here in the sounds options, you can just click on this option right here, and then in the sounds you can choose between what you want to listen for. So you have a fire alarm, the siren alarm, and smoke alarm, for example. And now you can turn on this feature, and also if you are setting this for the first time, the sound recognition is going to send you notifications. You need to allow for it. So now, for example, when the fire alarm goes off near you, it is going to set you a notification. So let's say you have your AirPods on with the noise cancelling and you don't hear the fire alarm. So the iPhone is going to hear it anyway and will send you notification that the fire alarm is near. Also, you can set a custom alarm. So click on custom alarm, then go continue. Then you can name the custom alarm sound. So I'm going to name it AQ. And here you can set up the recognize of this sound, and you need to do it the sound play the 5 times to set up this custom alarm. I'm not going to do this right now, but you can do it with whatever you want to. So the household, the water lining, kettle, glass breaking, and custom appliance or doorbell. Also you can set it up, and it works the same as setting up the custom alarm. Also, as you can see, you have the cat. So if the cat near you is going to do meow, for example, also the iPhone is going to send you a notification. The same with the dog barking. Also, if you have the doorbell, door knock, glass breaking, kettle water running, and also with the people coughing, shouting, and baby crying. And you can set those features to on just by going in and setting it to on. And now, if the iPhone is going to hear a baby crying near you, it is going to send you a notification. And also you can click Edit. Okay, if you click Edit, this is going to get you an option to delete your custom options that you have created after setting the custom alarm or the custom appliance or a doorbell. So this is it. This is how the sound recognition works. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!